What is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that involves using statistical and computational methods to extract insights and knowledge from data. It encompasses a range of techniques and tools for data analysis, including machine learning, data visualization, and statistical modeling, and is used to solve a variety of real-world problems in areas such as business, healthcare, and social sciences. Uses of data science. Data science is used in many fields and industries to help solve a wide range of problems. Here are some common uses of data science. Business. Companies use data science to analyze customer behavior, optimize pricing, and improve supply chain management. Healthcare. Data science is used to analyze medical records, develop predictive models, and personalize treatment plans. Finance. Financial institutions use data science to detect fraud, optimize trading strategies, and make investment decisions. Social sciences. Researchers use data science to analyze social media data, conduct surveys, and study human behavior. Sports. Sports teams use data science to analyze player performance, develop game strategies, and make draft picks. These are just a few examples of how data science is used in different fields. The applications of data science are broad and growing, and the field is constantly evolving. How data science change future? Data science is already changing the future in many ways, and its impact is likely to continue growing in the coming years. Here are some ways that data science is changing the future. Personalization. Data science is helping companies and organizations tailor their products and services to the specific needs and preferences of individual customers, providing a more personalized and customized experience. Improved decision-making. Data science is helping decision-makers in various fields make better informed decisions by providing them with actionable insights from data. Automation. Data science is enabling automation of routine tasks and processes, increasing efficiency and productivity while reducing costs. Healthcare. Data science is enabling more personalized healthcare, helping doctors and healthcare professionals to make better diagnoses and develop more effective treatments. Sustainability. Data science is helping to address environmental and social challenges by providing insights and solutions for sustainable resource management and reducing waste. These are just a few ways that data science is changing the future, and as the field continues to evolve and expand, its impact is likely to be even greater. Thank you.